Hi, I'm Ryan McSherry, Business Development for Yokogawa. Today I'm here to introduce you to the TDLS8100, which is a single-flange probe-style analyzer. It's a tunable diode laser. It's built upon our proven cross-stack platform analyzer, the TDLS8000. TDLS analyzers work upon the principle of Lambert Law. This means that molecules will absorb a specific amount of energy at a specified wavelength, temperature, pressure, and path length as governed by the laws of physics. A simple way to think of the analyzer is like an industrial molecule counter. Normal traditional TDLS units like our TDLS8000 will have a transmission end which shoots a laser across the process to the receiving end. The light lost at the receiving end correlates to absorption by the analyte of interest. The TDLS8100, however, operates by having the laser and detector mounted to the same process flange, still providing an in-situ measurement to avoid sample transport time delays introduced by extractive analyzers. The probe body has openings so that process gas can enter the measurement path. The laser is transmitted from the head to a retroreflector assembly, then bounced back to the detector also residing in the head of the analyzer. Here's a more detailed view into how that works. The process windows isolating the process from the electronics are kept clean by a purge sweeping each end of the entry for the process gas measurement area. Of course, the window purge should be optimized based upon the process gas flow rate. Measured gases include O2, CO, methane, ammonia, and HCl. CO and methane can be measured by a single analyzer. Please feel free to contact us for any other desired gases, as we're always looking to expand our measurement portfolio. Currently, we focus on gases which absorb in the near-infrared wavelength region. The single-flange probe TDLS was built to accommodate a variety of standard ANSI, DIN, and JIS process flanges. ANSI flanges start at 2-inch 150 pound and go up through 4-inch 150 pound. Contact us if you have any alternative flange needs like 300 pound flanges. The probe links have variable insertion depths from 0.7 to 2 meters. The optical path is fixed at 1 meter, half a meter with bounce back to double the path. And all that changes is the length from the flange to the beginning of the purge interface. Keep in mind which orientation you would like the display and head when ordering, as there are 12 separate configurations available. We also have separate Class 1 Division 1 and general purpose options available for area rating requirements. No alignment is required for probe installation. The analyzer, just like our TDLS8000, is SIL 2 or SIL 3 with redundant or low demand mode applications, certified via hardware and software assessment for process safety applications. Our platform operates on the principle of direct absorption. The advantage of this over traditional 2F wavelength modulation is that we're much less susceptible to error due to changing background gases and pressures, unlike most other platforms. Another benefit of direct absorption is that we almost never require calibration for all applications. The TDLS8100 stores 50 days of data in spectral storage, meaning an upset during the weekend can easily be examined to determine the source of a problematic reading and validate analyzer functionality. The TDLS8100 has no moving parts and no consumables, meaning low long-term cost of ownership. The TDLS8100 almost never requires calibration due to being built upon solid-state hardware and a direct absorption platform. Periodic validation can be performed instead at user-required intervals or to satisfy proof test interval requirements for SIS installations. The Smart Laser module stores all factory calibration data, so in the event of an accidental calibration, all settings can be restored to factory ones. This is significant because a replacement laser module, in the event that you flood the original one with dirty or wet purge gas, is plug and play, without the need to remove the analyzer for offline calibration. This keeps uptime maximized with our fully field repairable design. 8 stages of auto gain keeps signal optimized in the case that windows become contaminated from inadequate window purge. Our integral reference cell also maintains the measurement wavelength so that validations or specialty line locking gases are not required when your target gas isn't present in process. The platform shares the HMI from the TDLS8000 series for a user-friendly interface, which is also available via free software for remote maintenance terminals. The HMI can communicate with up to 4 analyzers simultaneously. Our upper temperature limit is currently 600 degrees Celsius or 1112 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe is optimized for boiler combustion, heater stacks, limited installation space areas, and lower temperature applications where current technologies have frequently poisoned consumables. We also have a sealed tube design of the TDLS8100 available for extractive applications. Samples up to 200 degrees Celsius can flow through the assembly at high flow rates and kept within 1 degree C in the entire assembly due to our dual wall design. No zero offsets are required like for other technologies.